Sirisia Member of Parliament John Waluke Friday surrendered to police in Nairobi after the High Court upheld his 67-year jail sentence over fraud. Waluke, who turned himself in at the Milimani Law Courts, was later handed to Kenya Prison Service orderlies who transferred him to the Industrial Area Remand Prison. And as Hassan Mugambi reports, if the legislator, who has 14 days to file an appeal, fails to do so, he risks losing his Sirisia parliamentary seat.
Flanked by a senior police officer and prison wardens, Sirisia Member of Parliament John Waluke makes what could easily become his final steps as a free man in a long time as he turned himself in. The MP was escorted to the police cells at the Milimani Law Court basement before being transferred to the Industrial Area Remand Prison, where he is currently incarcerated. This coming just a day after High Court Judge Esther Maina upheld a court judgment directing Waluke to pay a 1 billion Kenya shilling fine or serve 67 years in jail for fraud. Waluke, who had appealed against the magistrate court ruling that slapped him with the sentence, lost the appeal at the High Court. Waluke and his business partner Grace Wahungu were in 2020 convicted and sentenced after they were found guilty of acquiring 297 million Kenya shillings through shady deals at the National Cereals and Produce Board, NCPB. They were charged with various offences ranging from uttering false documents and unlawful acquisition of public property. Waluke was handed a 67-year jail term upon conviction, while Wahungu was sentenced to 69 years behind bars. They were imprisoned on the 22nd of June 2020 by the Anti-Corruption Court, but later released on a 10 million Kenya shillings and a 20 million Kenya shilling cash bail respectively in September 2020 after 3 months in jail. The MP, who was out on appeal, secured re-election in Sirisia in the August 9th general election.
Sisi hatuuzi maandazi, sisi hatuuzi makaa, sisi walimu kina nalangi wanafunza watoto kwa shule, sisi kazi yetu ni
If dissatisfied with the court verdict, the lawmaker can challenge the ruling at the Court of Appeal within 14 days. If Waluke fails to appeal against the decision, then he will lose his parliamentary seat for being behind bars for more than 6 months. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.